Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be continuing on with my Birthstone series. Today I'm going to be doing white topaz. So I have googled it just to make sure I'm kind of on the right track in terms of like the colour and stuff. I haven't actually checked to see what month that is. Hold on till I just check that. What an idiot. April! Oh, it is April! Oh, that's actually really weird. So yeah, white topaz. It says here even though topaz comes in various colours such as green, blue, brown, yellow and orange, it is actually transparent in its purest form, so therefore like diamond or white topaz I'm guessing. I'm going to go off camera and do my base makeup because in my head I kind of have a fair idea of what I'm wanting to do today. I'm wanting it to be quite smoky and blown out and not as structured and stuff around the eye area. Okay, so I just went and done one eye off camera, so I'm now just going to film this eye. So this is a wee single shadow from Makeup Revolution. Pro Artist HD Pro Refills Pro Eyeshadow Matte 08. So yeah, that is the colour I'm going to use. I'm guessing the colour is Matte 08. So with this shade I'm just going to be, as you can tell, just popping it into the crease and I'm blending it right up into the upper crease and into the brow bone. I'm also going to be blending it to the outer corner as well. The reason I'm taking this shade is because, as you can tell, it is actually a very cool toned brown. Just getting another brush. So we obviously are working with cool tones today, such as silvers, greys, like charcoal greys and stuff. So I want to go for a cool toned transition shade. So taking a clean fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend out those edges. Then I'm going to go into the Lorac Pro Palette and I'm going to take this charcoal shade here. So I'm just going to take this second shade just on a size down brush from the previous one. So as you can see, the darker I'm getting with my shadows, the smaller I'm getting with the brush. So I can be more precise with the placement of this shade in my crease because it is slightly darker. So just nice and snug in that crease area. So I'm just going to continue to pack on and blend this shade until it is as intense as I preferably want it to be. Every now and then I will go into the first brush that we used, taking no product on it, and I'm just going to take it on its side and kind of just tickle at those edges where them two shadows are now coming together and just blending them, just so that they're more seamless, and then it just creates a more gradual blend. Then taking a Maybelline Gel Cream Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Internal Silver. I'm actually just going to be using this as a base for the silver to go on top, and I'm going to attempt to cut my crease with this as well. So I'm just going to use like my eyeball as my guide to kind of cut my crease. Back into the Lorac Pro Palette, I'm going to take the black and I'm going to take this on like a small blending brush, and I'm just going to pat that black kind of 50-50, so half on the silver and then half on my crease colour. So recently I have been obsessed with RuPaul's Drag Race. I've never watched it in my life. I have just started watching it recently, and yeah, watching it slash binge watching it, and I'm absolutely living for it. I'm absolutely living for it. It has just so put me in the mood to do drag makeup. I would love to do drag makeup. I find it absolutely incredible. What those boys can do with makeup is just, it's pure talent. They're just absolute queens. So I'm going to go in with the Precise blending brush from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. Going to dip in once to the black and the charcoal at the same time. That was a lie. 6 times. And I'm going to blend that black out. So because I'm wanting this look to be quite smoky, I'm not going to be scared to really diffuse that colour right up into that brow bone. Okay, so I'm now just going to go in with the Beauty Bay Going Out palette. This is a situation. And I can't remember what shade I used. Hold on. So I'm going to be... Fucking hell. Oh my god, this is a disaster. So this shade here, so it's just like a dark grey, absolutely beautiful. This palette is mostly shimmers, by the way, apart from the 4 corners, which are transition shades and a black and kind of like a brow bone shade, or you can use it to set the lid as well. Personal preference really. So this shade is called Dance Floor, by the way, and I'm just going to pack this just all over that lid, taking it right up to the crease to where that black is. You see, I even think that's really nice. Like if I now went in and darkened up that crease again and blended these 2 shades together, I honestly think that is so nice. But we're going to take it a wee bit further. Next up, I'm just going to use the Helen A Cosmetics Fixing Gel. So I'm just going to apply the fixed gel first. So as you can see with this, I have created a shape. I've kind of cut the crease with it, kind of like a halo shape. So that's what I'm going to do now. The pigment I'm going to use is Disco by Peaches and Cream. Then I'm going to go into this big palette again. I'm going to take that Dance Floor shade, and I'm just going to start by packing that just on the inner and the outer corner. And I'm going to take the shade beside that Dance Floor shade, this one here. So this is just like a really, really intense dark grey, and it also has like silver like glitter reflex through it. Again, taking that on the exact same brush, I'm just going to use this shade to even further deepen up the outer and the inner corner. So just before I go on to anything else, I'm going to create a wing. So this is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. As I was saying, there's a black in this palette, so I'm going to use this shade. And I'm going to go in now and set that liner with this black shadow, and I'm also going to smoke it out as well. I'm just going to start by packing the black onto the liner. So as you can see, I'm slightly going above the liner line now. For lashes today, I'm going to be using Tlashes in the style Berlin. I have been using these lashes non-stop recently. I've had these for quite some time in my collection. I did get sent these in PR, and I've only recently discovered them, and I am obsessed with them. So literally to the point where I'm actually going to take these to Poland with me. So I have a discount code down below as always. It's non-affiliate, I do not get anything from it, but it is for 20% off. Okay, so lashes are on, and I've just applied some mascara to my false lashes and lower lashes. So I used the Makeup Forever Excessive Lash. And to set everything in place, this isn't necessarily a setting spray, it's more of like a skincare spray, but I just like to use this below my makeup, before my makeup application and after my makeup application, because I just kind of find that it soaks up all the excess powder and just refreshes it and kind of just makes it feel just like rejuvenated again. So this is the Caudalie Grape Water Spray. So it's just like an aerosol can, just like the Morphe one. Okay everyone, so this is the completed makeup look. This was White Topaz, and I actually cannot believe how I decided to do this one, and it's April. I don't really think that comment could have got any blonder. So obviously, as you can tell by now, I'm not necessarily going through the months in order. I'm just going to be doing them higgledy-piggledy, so you don't really know what I'm going to be doing next. So yeah, keeping you all on your toes. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoy this video. All the products that I use will be linked and listed down below. Pray for me and my voice and my blocked nasal passage. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video.